Are you wondering what makes a good beginner dirt bike? I want to show you 6 things that I always look for when I'm considering a dirt bike, whether it's beginner friendly so I can recommend it to a friend or to you. First, I want to tell you 6 things that I look for a good beginner bike. Number 1 is it's easy and predictable to ride, so less power generally. So if you have too much power, you're going to get scared and intimidated right away. Number 2 is it's shorter, or shortened enough so that you can touch the ground on. You need to eventually learn how to balance your dirt bike, but starting out, you don't want a bike that's too tall. Otherwise, you're going to be focused on trying to stay balanced on the bike rather than focusing on the clutch, the throttle, and the brakes, the basic techniques. Number 3, a good beginner bike has plush suspension. It's not stiff, harsh, firm like a motocross bike. Motocross bikes have stiff suspension. It's just not comfortable. Number 4, it's simple and reliable. So low performance bike, reliable because it has less power and less to maintain. Number 5, it's affordable. And yeah, you can maybe get an affordable motocross bike, but chances are it's going to cost more to maintain over time, where a trail bike, they're generally cheaper to buy and almost always cheaper to maintain. And then number 6 is it's lightweight. And yeah, I know trail bikes, most of them are not lightweight because they're low performance, low technology. So if you're not super tall like me, I'm short, I like to start people out on a smaller bike, even if they're a little bit too big for it. That way you can easily handle it. Hey, if you found this video helpful, then you need to go check out my other video here on the top 5 worst dirt bikes that appear to be good, because there are a lot of people that start out on the wrong dirt bike. So check it out so that you don't crash and get hurt right away. I'm Kelly Fager from Motocross Hideout. Learn more, ride more.